Guys, sure hope your day's going better than mine. Nothing like trying to head home after a 12-hour shift. Damn it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I was trying to get some things done today, but ended up having to come get the tires done on the truck. So yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow to work on the Honda.
Pick it, it's just to fix it. I take the whip from that delivery. Just need some wrenches, a couple minutes, check the engine. What's the symptoms? Is it firing? Check the pistons. How's the tranny? How's it shifting? Is it slipping? Ain't no quitting. I'm on a mission, feeling driven. Ain't no stopping till the tire's spinning. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage.
Alright guys, so today I got a box delivery. If you guys seen from the intro, a little piece of the puzzle. The truck has been down for like 3 days. I wasn't able to go out to here to work on the Chevy, but that's good though. It gave me a lot of time to work. So we're gonna head out there now. We're gonna take the engine actually out. I'm gonna see how hard it is to make engine mounts, see if we can get some engine mounts maybe mocked up, at least the plates today. And yeah, go from there. We have some items that should be on their way, and that's gonna change the whole game. So all right guys, I'll see you when we get to Chuck's. All right guys, just got to my boy Chuck's. That's Chuck. You guys have never met him. You'll see him a lot on the channel if he ever decides to go play in the mud and stuff. He's got this thing where he gets scared a lot of the time. So right now, shout out to Keith, always helping. We're gonna hook the engine up. I'm gonna see, since I got Chuck here, he doesn't know it yet, if he can if we can drill some holes in some metal and try to fabricate some engine mounts. Because they're $400 online, and we're not gonna spend that.
No, you should measure it.
Absolutely not. So we'll measure it and call it a day. So yeah, guys, we're gonna pull the engine out real quick. I'm gonna pull the manifold off, so we got a good access to these bolts, because that's where I've seen them run it before, is right here. They put bolts into 1, 2, and 3, and yeah, so we're just gonna try that route, and while it's in the air it should be easy, and that's it. What do you think? Do you think it'll work?
Can you do nothing but try?
Oh, guys, so right now we're not going to be able to do much without the adapter plate. I mean, we start cleaning up the bay and go from there, but pretty much the situation is right now is we're going to go off of these 3 bolts right here and make a triangle plate, and that we can essentially just elbow off of. There's these 2 here, and there's this one, but I think there's another bolt if I take these off. I'm gonna take these off real quick and see where we're at, and probably just, I'm gonna get this cleaned up. What happened to your headlight? Oh, you put pods? Alright guys, so got the bay pretty much cleaned out. I'm gonna power wash it probably next video, honestly guys. I got distracted, honestly. So what I went ahead and did is was I made a template pretty much of what the bolt holes I'm gonna be using. Cut a piece of metal, line them up, drill them out, and yeah guys, it seems to be working just fine. So now I'm just gonna make these holes a little bigger and put the plate onto it, and then that's gonna be my base, and then we're gonna have to wait after that. But this is just how we're making it right now.
I get what you're saying.
Got it. I agree.
Perfect shot.
We're just gonna take this corner off.
Be wearing like some PPE while you're
Nah. Alright. So guys, our mount is gonna work like that, pretty much. I'm gonna use the original Chevy mounts. I think I'm gonna be able to flip it up and put it like that. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna weld off of this, just a tube in the middle, and to the Chevy mount, and I think that's gonna be our design, honestly. But yeah guys, I think that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Yeah, just pretty much just waiting on parts right now. Like I said, I'm waiting on the adapter kit. Once the adapter kit gets here, then we'll be able to really start mounting everything up. The engine bay is looking right. Got all the stuff pretty much that we're not going to use. I'm going to use the brake booster, I think, unless I'm going to switch to something later on. Brake reduction life. And yeah guys, it's going to look good. But if you guys like the video and you guys like the content and you guys want to continue to grow with the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. But yeah guys, that's going to go ahead and do it. See you later.